In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a refund on your Amazon Cash on Delivery order easily and step by step. First, open your browser or Amazon app and sign into your Amazon account. Once you're logged in, tap on the Orders option at the top right corner. You'll see a list of your recent purchases. Now find the order you want a refund for and click Return or Replace Items. A new page will appear asking you the reason for return. Select the reason from the list, for example, wrong item, damaged product, or change of mind. You can also add a short comment if you want to explain more. Then click Continue to move forward. Next, under How would you like to resolve this? Choose Refund to your Amazon account balance or Refund to bank account if you paid by cash on delivery. After that, confirm your selection and click Submit. Now Amazon will show your return instructions. Follow them carefully. You can drop the product off at a nearby Amazon hub locker, a pickup point, or schedule a return through UPS. Once your item is received and verified, your refund will be processed. For card orders, Amazon usually refunds the amount to your bank account or Amazon Pay balance within 3 to 5 business days. And that's it. You've successfully requested a refund on your Amazon Cash on Delivery order. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick guides like this one.